Canada, a land of opportunity and beauty, welcomes newcomers with open arms. Many immigrants dream of becoming Canadian citizens. This is a significant decision and a rewarding journey. This essay will guide you through the steps to achieve this dream. Arriving in a new country can be exciting and overwhelming. Start by getting settled. Find a place to live and familiarize yourself with your new surroundings. Important first steps include getting a social insurance number or SIN to work in Canada. You should also explore healthcare options and register any children for school. Permanent residency is a crucial step towards citizenship. It grants you the right to live and work in Canada indefinitely. You can apply for permanent residency through various programs like Express Entry, provincial nominee programs, or family sponsorship. Each program has specific requirements. Choose the one that best suits your situation. To be eligible for Canadian citizenship, you must have lived in Canada as a permanent resident for a specific period. This is a crucial step in your journey to becoming a Canadian citizen, and understanding the residency requirements is essential. You need to be physically present in Canada for at least 1,095 days, or 3 years, within the 5 years before you apply. This means that you should plan your time in Canada carefully, ensuring that you meet this requirement without any issues. It's not just about being in the country, it's about being physically present and actively participating in Canadian life. Keep track of your travels outside Canada as they count towards your residency obligation. Every time you leave Canada, those days are subtracted from your total residency days. It's important to maintain a detailed record of your travels, including the dates you left and returned to Canada. This will help you accurately calculate your residency days and ensure you meet the requirement. Consider using a travel journal or a digital app to keep track of your trips. This way, you can easily refer back to your records when it's time to apply for citizenship. Remember, meeting the residency requirement is a key part of your citizenship application, so take it seriously and plan accordingly. Section 5. Speaking the language of your new home. Moving to a new country can be both exciting and challenging. One of the most important steps in adapting to your new environment is learning the language spoken there. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French. This means that all government services, official documents, and public communications are available in both languages. Understanding and speaking one of these languages will not only help you in your daily life, but also make it easier to integrate into Canadian society. As a citizenship applicant, you need to demonstrate proficiency in one of these languages. This is a crucial requirement because it ensures that you can effectively communicate and participate in Canadian life. There are various resources available to help you learn and improve your language skills, such as language classes, online courses, and language learning apps. You can prove your language skills through language tests approved by the government. These tests assess your ability to read, write, listen, and speak in either English or French. Some of the recognized tests include the IELTS for English and the TEF for French. Preparing for these tests can be a rigorous process, but there are many study guides and practice tests available to help you succeed, or by showing that you have completed Canadian secondary or post-secondary education in English or French. This means that if you have graduated from a Canadian high school, college, or university where the instruction was in one of the official languages, you can use your diploma or degree as proof of your language proficiency. This pathway can be particularly advantageous for those who have already spent time studying in Canada. Additionally, many community centers and local organizations offer language classes and conversation groups. These can be great opportunities to practice your language skills in a supportive environment and meet new people. Engaging with the community and participating in these activities can greatly enhance your language learning experience. Immersing yourself in the language through everyday activities can also be very beneficial. Watching Canadian television shows, reading books, and listening to local radio stations in English or French can help you become more familiar with the language and its nuances. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more comfortable you will become in using it. Remember, learning a new language takes time and practice. Be patient with yourself and take advantage of all the resources available to you. Whether it's through formal education, community programs, or self-study, Every effort you make will bring you one step closer to mastering the language of your new home. Ultimately, being proficient in one of Canada's official languages will not only fulfill the citizenship requirement, but also enrich your experience as a new Canadian. It will open doors to new opportunities, help you build connections, and allow you to fully participate in the vibrant and diverse Canadian society. Section 6. The Citizenship Application, Your Journey on Paper. This is where your dream of becoming a Canadian citizen starts to take shape on paper. Once you meet the residency and language requirements, you can apply for citizenship. This means you have lived in Canada for the required number of years and have proven your ability to communicate in either English or French. These are crucial steps in demonstrating your commitment to becoming a part of the Canadian community. Download the application package from the Government of Canada website. This package is your roadmap, containing all the necessary forms and information you need to proceed. The website is user-friendly and provides a wealth of resources to guide you through the process. The package includes all the forms you need to fill out and a detailed guide with instructions. This guide is your best friend during this process, offering step-by-step directions to ensure you don't miss any critical details. It covers everything from how to fill out each form to what supporting documents you need to include. Fill out the application truthfully and accurately, providing all required documents. Honesty is paramount, as any discrepancies can delay your application or even result in denial. Double-check your forms and documents to ensure everything is complete and correct. This meticulous attention to detail will help smooth the path to your new life as a Canadian citizen. Once your application is complete, place it in an envelope and send it to the appropriate address. This final step in the application process is a significant milestone. As you drop your envelope into the mailbox, you are one step closer to achieving your goal of becoming a Canadian citizen. The journey may be long, but each step brings you closer to your dream. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation letter. This letter is an acknowledgement that your application has been received and is being processed. It's a moment of excitement and anticipation as you await the next steps in your journey. While waiting, prepare for the citizenship test and interview. Study the guide provided and practice potential questions. This preparation is crucial as it will help you feel confident and ready for the next phase of your journey. Finally, attend the citizenship ceremony, where you will take the oath of citizenship. This ceremony is a profound and emotional experience, marking the culmination of your hard work and dedication. As you hold your certificate and wave the Canadian flag, you will feel a deep sense of pride and accomplishment. Celebrate this momentous occasion with your loved ones. Becoming a Canadian citizen is a significant achievement, and it's a time to reflect on your journey and look forward to your future in Canada. Welcome to your new home. Section 7. The test showing what you know about Canada. As part of the citizenship process, you'll need to take a citizenship test. This test assesses your knowledge of Canada's history, geography, political system, and values. Study materials are available online and in libraries to help you prepare. Section 8. The Oath. A promise to Canada. If your application is approved, you'll be invited to a citizenship ceremony. At the ceremony, you'll take an oath of citizenship. This oath is a solemn promise to uphold Canada's laws and fulfill your duties as a citizen. Once you take the oath, you'll receive your Canadian citizenship certificate. Section 9. The Benefits of Belonging. What citizenship unlocks? Canadian citizenship comes with numerous benefits. As a citizen, you have the right to vote in elections, apply for a Canadian passport, and access social benefits. You can also live and work anywhere in Canada without restrictions. Most importantly, citizenship provides a sense of belonging and identity. Section 10. Challenges and Rewards. Navigating the journey. The path to Canadian citizenship may have challenges. Gathering documentation, meeting deadlines, and preparing for the test can be demanding. However, the rewards are worth the effort. Becoming a Canadian citizen is a life-changing achievement that opens doors to new opportunities and a brighter future. Section 11. Your Canadian future awaits a final word. Embarking on the journey to Canadian citizenship is a significant decision. It requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to embracing Canadian values. By understanding the process and requirements, you can navigate the path smoothly and achieve your dream of becoming a proud Canadian. Welcome to Canada.